Hi, I'm going to show you how to group a large number of emails into one email. So let's say you want to send your first period an email or just your second period or whatever. So the way to do this is go to your Apex email. I mean, not email, but your apps, and you're going to go to the contacts, and they're called labels. And to create, see, you can see it here. I have period one, period three, period four. You can label them. So I'm going to create a period seven. So I'm going to create a label, and I'm going to call it period seven digital imaging. And I'm going to save that. And on my right, you'll see that I have the attendance from Apex. So I'm going to type in, look up my students, just do a search and click on it. And then go to these three dots. And then you can assign this student. You can assign it to multiple. Let's say if you want to do success seminar, if he's that student's then use success seminar, or you can just do one. This is my period seven, and I can close that. And there he is. He appears there. I'm going to do another one, like Genesis. Hello, it's not typing. Make sure you get the correct one, and then go to the three dots. Make sure you get a check mark on that period, and then close it. Now you have two students. I do one more time. Click on the student, click on the three dots, add a check mark to your period, and then close it. I'm going to pause it here. Okay, now I finished inputting all the students' name into that period. Now, for some reason, you need to probably close the tab for it to refresh. Sometimes, if you make changes to it anyway. So let's say you want to go to the calendar and add a classroom. Okay, so I want to add a periods. That's I think is a digital imaging. Digital period seven, and that's going to be on a Wednesday, and it's going more options here. It's going to be from 1 p.m. to 2:20. It's Wednesday, okay. And be using the remote learning and Hangout. And I'm going to copy this class here and the location, description. Okay, so now it's time to input all your students' names here under guest. Remember we did that whole thing and I labeled it period seven. So if I type in period seven, there it is, digital imaging. I click on it, it automatically populates all of my students. Look at that. Isn't it cool? All right. Then you're going to save it, send it, and done.